Come with me sa usual workday ko as a mom who loves to read. Started my day prepping muna bago ako makipaglaro kay Mangga John kasi once makita niya ako, wala na, ayaw na niya akong paalisin. And nag-breakfast kami ni Habi sa Starbucks, and if tiga Santa Rosa ka, alam mo na masarap dito. Pero sana talaga ma-improve nila yung cleanliness na shop nila. First break, I work on my side hustle kasi in this economy, mahirap na isa lang ang source of income. After that, reading mode. My current read is Iron Flame, and na-discover ko na ang saya pala ng immersive reading, lalo na pag fantasy. And after shift, jog and walk muna, and let's take a moment to appreciate the view before going home. Nag-quick grocery run naman for the usual kulang sa bahay, gulay, coffee, at merienda ng mga bata. One of the things we enjoy talaga is making the kids happy. Yung mga luxury na hindi namin afford ng bata, pero kaya naming ibigay sa kanila ngayon, like snacks, activities, or gala. And then pag uwi, medyo konti na lang talaga ako mag-vlog kasi I dedicate my time kay Mongazon. And today, ito dumating na ang aking dream mic. Iba talaga ang quality ng audio kapag maayos ang mic. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.